Nothing has introduced a new app called Nothing Community Widgets. As the name suggests, it features widgets such as games and tools for Nothing smartphones co-developed by its passionate user base. One of the first arrivals on the app is a snake game, which pays homage to the classic snake experience on Nokia phones. It's exclusively available for Nothing smartphones, such as the Nothing Phone 2A Plus and the Nothing Phone 2. As per the British smartphone manufacturer, the idea for the snake widget was proposed by Nothing community member Rahul Janardhanan in January. Instead of developing it in-house, the brand reached out to community developer Thomas Legendre, who previously worked on Ear and the Simone Glyph game. The snake game can be placed on the home screen like any other widget. Similar to the retro Nokia game, the goal is to eat the red dots to make the snake grow longer in size while avoiding collision with itself. Each dot adds a point and its speed increases. The game ends if the snake collides with its body. However, the controls are vastly different. Instead of using the directional keypad buttons like it was required on Nokia phones, users can control the snake with swipe gestures. Nothing says it aims to bring quality widgets created by the community and bundle them with its Community Widgets app, which is hosted on the Google Play Store. Nothing community members can share concepts with the company, and its software team will determine if it can be turned into a widget. This move is part of the company's ambitions to work with its community. Notably, the brand recently unveiled the Nothing Phone 2A Plus Community Edition, bringing a culmination of the Community Edition project, which began in March this year. It's been co-developed with the Nothing community at all stages, from hardware design and wallpaper design to packaging design and marketing campaign. The smartphone features a glow-in-the-dark design with a green phosphorescent material coating at the back.